Hey guys, it's Xmarks here, and today I've been pretty mad about how I couldn't watch this game, and I think I found the solution to it. Um, okay, so actually I did find a solution to it. I figured out what was the problem, and okay, so I want to show you how to fix this. You cannot launch the game. So okay, I want to go to my games. This is my pop up right here. It's gonna say can't launch Army 2. I see that. So, first of all, the reason why it will not launch is because this might not be the account that you downloaded the game on. So first, you have to sign out and go to that account that you downloaded the game on. Okay. So once you have went to that account, you go to account, go to license transfer. I have already done it, so it will not allow me to do it again until 11/13/2015. So what you want to do is transfer your account. I'm sorry, and then you go to your download history. Choose any game. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on one second. Army 2. Press download again. Okay, it has downloaded. So now what you want to do is sign out and go back to your account. Okay, and then go to my games, Army 2, and now you're able to launch it. Um, if it doesn't work, I'm sorry, I don't know, but this was a solution to my problem. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe.